Git is an important software development tool that is used very widely in the whole software industry. And if you ever asked any software developer what was the source code management tool they used, they would tell you one answer. That is Git. But whenever you hear about Git, you also hear about something called GitHub. And this raises a few questions, such as what is Git? What is GitHub? Are they the same thing or are they used together? So in this video, we'll try to answer all of those questions.
Before we get started, I want to introduce you to Great Learning Academy, a free initiative by Great Learning. You can access over 200 plus courses with 1000 plus hours of free content on trending high demand domains. Absolutely free. Register now to complete the course and get your free certificate of completion. Check out the link in the description of the video below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I want to request you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so that you don't miss out on any new updates or video releases from Great Learning. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love and like this video. Knowledge increases by sharing, so make sure you share this video with your friends and colleagues. And make sure to comment on the video for any queries or suggestions, and I will respond to them.
First, let's define the purpose of both of these tools. Let's start with Git. Git is an open source distributed source code management tool. In very simple words, it's a tool that helps you to keep track of things when you are coding. So let's say that you have a code file which works perfectly fine and you make some changes to it, but you want to save those changes. Now, why would you want to save these changes? You would want to do it because it will help you later on when you're investigating a crash or a bug and you want to know which change caused it. And that's why we make use of Git. It helps us to keep a track of all the changes we made without any exception whatsoever. And here, each set of changes defines what a version of the code will be. All right, now that you know the history of all the changes you made so far to your code, you would want to go ahead and store these changes and the code. And you would want to share it with your teammates for more collaboration. So how do you go ahead and do this? I mean, a simple way to do this is to just mail the code. But for obvious reasons, it's very tedious and a waste of time. So instead, you can opt to upload your code onto a code hosting service or a sort of a database, basically a place where you can store all the different versions of your code together and then share the access with your teammates. And this is exactly what GitHub is. It's a place where you can store and maintain different versions of your code while being able to intuitively work with other people in your team. So now we have a clear difference between both Git and GitHub. Git is a tool that helps us track all of our changes on our local system, whereas GitHub is a place where we store all of our code and collaborate with other developers. So guys, this is the main difference. Now, you would usually use both Git and GitHub together in conjunction, but it's not necessary to do so. You can use Git with other cloud-based web hosting services also that would do the same thing as GitHub would. But there are also other differences, such as Git and GitHub being maintained by different entities. Git is maintained by a community of developers, whereas GitHub is maintained by the Microsoft organization. Git is meant to be an open source tool, whereas GitHub is meant to be a paid tool. And an important note over here, for basic level of access to GitHub, you don't really need to pay anything. It's just when you start to use a lot of features that are included in the paid subscription, that's when you need to pay for things. All right, guys, now let's go ahead and summarize all the different differences we've seen so far. Git is a tool, whereas GitHub is a service. Git is used to track all the changes made to a code, whereas GitHub is used to store all the different versions of your code. Git is hosted locally, whereas GitHub is a cloud-based service hosted on the web. Git is a free tool maintained by a community of developers, whereas GitHub is a for-profit service maintained by Microsoft. And as a bonus difference for you guys, Git was released in 2005, whereas GitHub was released in 2008. So guys, that was our video on Git versus GitHub. I hope it is now clear to you what is the difference between Git and GitHub. My name is Ram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.
I want to introduce you to Great Learning Academy, a free initiative by Great Learning. You can access over 200 plus courses with 1000 plus hours of free content on trending high demand domains. Absolutely free. Register now to complete the course and get your free certificate of completion. Check out the link in the description of the video below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I want to request you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so that you don't miss out on any new updates or video releases from Great Learning. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love and like this video. Knowledge increases by sharing, so make sure you share this video with your friends and colleagues. And make sure to comment on the video for any queries or suggestions, and I will respond to them.